Most people get Reddit karma wrong. They think it's all luck or just posting memes. Today, they'll show you proven ways to earn karma fast while staying safe and following Reddit rules. Step 1. Engage with new and trending posts. Look for posts with high engagement but low comments. Comment thoughtful, provide helpful, funny, or insightful input. Most people get this wrong by leaving generic comments. They get buried and earn nothing. Step 2. Post content in active subreddits that fit your niche. High quality, original content gets upvotes faster. Avoid reposts or spam. Subreddits like r/askreddit, r/pics, and niche communities are great starting points. Most people get this wrong by posting everywhere without targeting. Their posts flop. Step 3. Time your posts. Activity spikes in the morning or evening hours depending on the subreddit. Posting during these windows increases visibility and upvotes. Most people get this wrong by posting at random times. They miss the audience. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments on your posts, be polite, and upvote others. Reddit rewards interaction. Posts with engaged discussions get more visibility. Most people get this wrong by ignoring comments. They lose potential karma. Optional tip. Reddit also gives karma for awards. Engaging content that gets awards adds extra points. But remember, karma is not a currency, it's a reputation tool. Don't obsess over numbers. Focus on quality engagement. In conclusion, earning Reddit karma fast requires smart posting, active engagement, and timing. Most people get this wrong by chasing shortcuts. They get ignored or penalized. With consistent effort, karma growth is natural and rewarding. Subscribe for more Reddit growth tips so you can boost your karma safely and efficiently.